Hello and hope you're doing well. On this video we're going to take a look at this LG tone-free UVnano. These are wireless stereo earbuds and they come with the charging case and they're in white. So let's take a look. Very nice case. Here you have some instructions. Here is the charging cable. Here are some gels. They're extras just in case. Here's the warranty. And let's take them out of here. There they are. Look, it looks pretty cool. He has a really nice light. So you can flip this over. Push it, and there they are. They're very compact. So let's open this up. It has a smooth surface. And it was easy to take off too. I like that you don't have to play around with it. It says ready to pair. So the connections are here, so they can be charged right there. And there's no buttons on them. So that's very neat. So let's pair them. I'm scanning on my phone. And there they are, LG. And it's pairing. Okay, so now they're connected. One of the reasons why I like the earbuds is because I run outside, and these are IPX4 rated, so they're ready for sweat and rain. I just noticed that there's an application for the headphones, so let's try that. And it takes you to the LG tone-free application, so let's install. Once it's installed, let's open it up. And it's checking for updates. New software available, so let's update. Download and install. So it's done uploading and updating the software. So it's telling me software update is completed, so confirm. On this screen, it gives you the battery life on each side. One side has 39%, this side has 40%. It has the user manual where it tells you if you touch the earbud once, twice, 3 times, or a long period of time, and what it does. Connected to the charger, when it's charging, the colors of the light, if it's blue, is more than 80%, and the other colors are a lower battery life. If you want bass boost, you can put it here, treble boost, customize it, ambient sound on or off. Here's the volume control, different settings here. That's pretty cool. So I'm gonna try them for a few days and come back and let you know how they did. I've tested the earbuds several times by now. I've made a few phone calls and the people on the other side couldn't tell if I was holding my phone or the earbuds. So that's a plus. I've actually ran with them as well and they're still fine. I like that you can control the music or the phone calls on either side of the earbuds by tapping them. I like how they sound, the bass, treble, the highs, and how you can control them by using the application. One of the things that I do like is the ambient sound on and off, because like I said, I've ran with them and I do want to listen to music, but I also want to make sure that I know my surroundings. So turning it off lets me hear music and lets me hear the traffic and people around me. And of course, if I'm alone and I want to listen to music and tune everything out, you can just switch that on and that is it. They're very nice and clear. The battery life is good. I like the case, the LEDs, not only the one in front but also the one inside. I also like that it has a magnet on the earbud, so if you put them back, they don't fall off. And by the way, the sound is coming from the earbud. So I hope this video helps you in any way. Thank you for watching and enjoy.